What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Craig. We are going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, where we're at, where we said we were going to go. We nailed our target. We took some profits. We're still in more trades. I'm going to let you know where those are at. So definitely stick around for the whole video, and we'll take a look at where I think it's going next and what I'm doing about it and where my trades are. So that sounds good. Make sure you guys smash the likes, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure you tick that notification bell, get you notified when I post new videos. Let's get into it. So pre-markets today, Dow futures down 131 as of making this video. S&P down 24 points, NASDAQ down 82. Of course, they're talking about the Trump, China tariffs. If you're sick of the tariffs, let me know in the comment below. I'm sick of hearing about the tariffs. I know it's the news and people want to hear about it and what's going on, but I think it's just smoke and mirrors. I think the markets are all in huge trouble. America's economy is in trouble. The world's economy is in trouble. But you do your own thinking, make your own decisions. I'm going to show you what I think is going on with Bitcoin, and let's take a look. So yesterday, remember, we were in 6 Bitcoin total shorts. They got stopped out. I had my stops at 107. It was still, we made almost $17,000 profit, right? 488% on this one, 516 on this one. I re-entered because I didn't like the rejection there, and I didn't want to miss out on the next trade because I think we have further to go, and I'm going to show you where in the charts. But as of right now, we're 4 Bitcoin short. We shorted at 106,721 and 106,981. So they're both in profit. We're going to take a look at those trades right now. Let me get over to the trade, and as you can see, we're up 5,600 on these 2 trades. Remember, we took almost 17,000 profit yesterday. We still have our trade on BITUNIX going. Guys, this is the way to make money in crypto now, especially with the prices this high, right? $17,000 in a couple days, right? Well, you've seen me grow accounts from 7,000 to 100,000. This account right now has about 109,000 in it. Our stops are already in profit at 106.2. I moved my stops there on BITUNIX. Also, guys, if you want to trade the markets, trade your crypto and mix it, you could use your crypto to trade the markets on Prime XBT. The link is down below. By using my link, you have a little bit of time left. You can get 100% deposit bonus, whatever you deposit, up to $10,000. So if you put in $100, they match it with 100. If you put in 1,000, they match it with 1,000. 10,000, they match it with 10,000 to use towards your margin. So definitely take advantage of this if you haven't already and you are a trader. I can't stress it enough. This is the best exchange out there. You can trade crypto, forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones. Now they've been adding a lot of stocks like Tesla, Netflix, and a whole lot of other ones. Definitely check them out. And as of right now, we are still in over $5,000 profit in this one. Remember, if we get stopped out, it's $1,000 profit. So that'll be 18,000 profit for this week just on Prime XBT. And then we still have a trade going on BITUNIX. For those of you that like no KYC, no VPN exchanges, check out BITUNIX. You can win up to a Model 3 or $35,000. Tesla Model 3 or $35,000, or Rolex or $12,000, all the way down to an Apple Watch. This ends June 6th, so check it out if you haven't. And let's take a look at that trade. So that trade we entered way over here. Where did we enter this trade? At 109.5, right? Right now we are 270% profit, $2,200 unrealized profit. But our stops again are at 106.2. This is actually 106.238. But that's where our stops are for an $1,800 profit, even if we're stopped out. That's the way I like to trade. Use your stops to save your ass once you're in profit, and you're not going to lose money that way. Although you got to hit a pretty decent entry to get it to where you can move your stops to break even quickly and at least let that trade ride. I like swing trade, not a huge day trader. I like to be in trades for a couple weeks, sometimes a few days, but I don't like getting in and out of multiple trades daily, right? That's just too much to stare at the charts all day, right? Not the way I want to live, but some people like it. If you do, kudos. But I'm going to keep making money the way I do. Just be careful out there, guys, because if this market comes down, it's going to come down in a big way. I've been talking about it for a long time. So here's our target. Our first target was 104.753, and look at that. We nailed it almost to the T. Went a little below, but that was pretty damn close. And how did we get that? All that simply was a measured move of this white rising wedge, right? We took a measured move of the widest point of the wedge, and we brought it over to where it broke down right here. I told you if it broke down, this is where we are headed. Bam, that's where we're headed. Also, right here is a trend line. If we get support on this, we could still come up for another retest here, right? But then we had our yellow one. If we take a measured move of this yellow, right? If we come all the way from back here, it's going to be lower. We took a more conservative touch. Could go much lower, but if that 104 breaks, our next measured move target, we bring that over here, right? We bring that over to where it broke down from the yellow. It looks like it already had a retest here. We could still come up and retest it again, but we did get a sell signal on the 4 hour. As long as we stay opening and closing candles above or below this 107.543, which is the 55 EMA, still chances to break this. If this breaks, our next target's at 98.66. And you know what? While we're doing this video, I'm going to go ahead and take the widest point, right? We're going to look at the widest point on this one and just take a look at what that target would be. Not saying it has to be that one. I'm going to stick with the 98.666, but we could get down to that 96.7, possibly even lower. So be careful, guys. We also broke our trend line on the bottom on the RSI that we talked about. Guys, if you watch this channel for any amount of time, you know I think a huge market crash is coming. Don't know what's going to cause it. Something is. For one thing, our economy is in the shitter. The world's economy is in the shitter. Money movement is not worth a shit. Things are not looking good. Eventually, this shit's going to crumble. And if you want to know where I think all the stocks, all the crypto, everything's going, take a look back at 2020. Take a look at where all the stocks were, all the markets. I think we're going to those levels, if not lower. Just my take. Let me know yours. Make sure you let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I do appreciate it, and I am out. I hope you have an awesome weekend. Yeah, and I'm out of here.